I had hoped that we had progressed enough as a society that the sentence, I have decided that you belong to me, is no longer a romantic sentence. I did not know lyricists in Hindi have toiled to be manipulative enough that instead of saying, you belong to me, now they will say, my heart has decided that you belong to it. As if it is some inanimate object not connected to the rest of your everything. दिल ने तुमको चुन लिया है, तुम भी इसको चुनो ना. ख्वाब कोई देखता, विदाउट दिमाग देख रहे, तुम भी सपने, सिर्फ दिल में सपने होते हैं ना, बुनो ना दिल ये मेरा, जुबान के बगैर तुमसे कुछ कह रहा है. If you feel like you might be about to fall in love, you won't be like, oh no, I think I am in love. You'll be like, I am suspicious of my heart. It has fallen in love. है दिल पे शक मेरा, इसे प्यार हो गया, तो तेरे बाकी को नहीं हुआ है. La 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 la. Like, Hindi has such a capacity for being blatantly manipulative. Even if the thing you are about to say is something nice, you use this corporate email format. Open strong, close strong, shit in the middle. Hope you're well. Beach mein bakwas. Happy holidays. Even if the thing you have to say is, I love you, and you're nervous to say it, you'll go, I find it hard to say. फिर चेप देगा बीच में. Then at the end go, unfortunately, I was not able to say. You're like, तो ये जो बीच में करके गए हो तुम. एक दिन तेरी राहों में, बाहों में, पनाहों में आऊंगा, खो जाऊंगा, एक दिन तेरा हो जाऊंगा, ये दिल तो ना कह सका ये बातें. A brief look at the transcript will reveal, काफी कह गए थे आप. Then these people have the audacity to come up to you and be like, I think I am in love, but I don't know if it's love or just infatuation. Then like, तो दिल के अलावा किसी से पूछ लेना. Instead गाने गा रहे, दो लफ्जों की है बस ये कहानी, या है मोहब्बत या है जवानी. हम like, फर्क पता है, ला 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 ला. There are only two types of breakups in the world. There is amicable and there is normal. An amicable breakup is when both of you find out you are about to break up at the same time, which only happens if one of you is dying. In a normal breakup, one of you has realized breakup is going to happen 6 months before the other one, and has gone through the process of being okay with this breakup in therapy 6 months pre-breakup. Then you go and tell the other one, and other one is like, मुझे भी बता देते. In both types of breakups, you say goodbye with the same word, but the songs are different. In an amicable breakup, it's दूर जाके भी मुझसे तुम मेरी यादों में रहना, कभी अलविदा ना कहना. But one of them has cancer. That is the incorrect alvida. In a normal breakup, it's अलविदा अलविदा कहना और क्या जब तूने कह दिया. सुन ले बेखबर, उसको थी खबर, तेरे को भी पता चल रहा है. Such blatant manipulation. They will never be like, you should live in the moment because this too shall pass. Hindi takes it one step further. They're like, you should live in this moment because the next moment also will pass. आने वाला पल जाने वाला है. तो जो आने वाले से पहले वाला है, पहले उसको नहीं जाना पड़ेगा. एक तो you know how English has I have 99 problems but ए लड़कों को नहीं बोलना था. That's why Hindi is like, I don't have enough evidence to conclude that you are the source of my problems. So instead, Hindi is like, to cover my own ass, I don't know if you are the source to all of my problems or the solution. बेरादा रास्तों की बन गए हो मंजिलें, मुश्किलें हल हैं तुम्ही से या तुम ही हो मुश्किलें. Did you enjoy meeting me? तुम क्या मिले? हम ना रहे. This is our individualism. I met you, I ceased to exist. You know you live in a collectivist culture. Why do you have to pretend? This is why in every love song that we have, as soon as English comes into the love song, English brings with it its own individualism and ruins the song completely. चलूं मैं तेरे पीछे पीछे बाकी सारे बंधन तोड़ दूं, जो तेरे तक ना जाए उस रास्ते को छोड़ दूं, हर ख्वाब मेरा उम्मीद मेरी मैं तुझसे जोड़ लूं, सब रिश्ते नाते हंस के तोड़ दूं, मैं तुझसे दिल का रिश्ता जोड़ लूं. You and I will be together till the end of time. Chee! Explain to me why, when I am speaking to somebody that I don't like, I have every word I know at my disposal. My eloquence is intact. I have stunning, beautiful, gorgeous, all in my vocabulary. As soon as I am speaking to one person I find actually attractive, the only word left at my disposal is nice. I think the problem is because my heart was thinking, अगर उसको पता है कि वो तुम्हें चाहता है और वो समझा पा रहा है, झूठ बोल रहे हैं. ठीक है. I don't understand when men are going to get the confidence to say something straight up instead of hiding in this complexity. Sometimes the purpose of eloquence is to say something better. Sometimes it is to say it in a way that the other person will not understand. It would have been so much easier to be like, I can't wait for the sun to go down so I can be alone with you at night. Then to go, the sun is being naughty outside your window. सूरज को हुई हरारत, रातों को करे शरारत, बैठा है खिड़की पे तेरी. And then this woman has to play along like, oh my God! इस बात पे चांद भी बिगड़ा, कतरा कतरा वो पिघला, भर आया आँखों में मेरी. And this human man that cannot light candle is like, तो सूरज बुझा दूं. एक तो you know how when men say they like when women don't wear makeup, they mean that they like the no makeup look. एक दूसरे को नहीं देखना. It's a good thing that the sentence I like when women don't wear makeup is like not the most progressive sentence anymore. But I did not know that Hindi and Urdu lyricists of ages past had foreseen this issue. So instead they're like, है रूप में इतना सादापन तो कितना सुंदर होगा मन, बिन गहने और श्रृंगार बिना वो तो लगती है दुल्हन. कौन सी इंडियन दुल्हन? बिन गहने। बाय द वे, गहने भी तूने ही मांगे।